Tip 1. Fried eggs. First, gather some fresh, high-quality eggs. Next, place a skillet on the stove, add a tablespoon of cooking oil, and turn the heat to high to let the oil heat up thoroughly. Once the oil is hot enough and starts to smoke slightly, gently tilt the pan to coat the entire surface with oil. Reduce the heat to low. Now, carefully crack 2 eggs into the pan. If you cook over low heat, the eggs will turn out smooth and standard, but this time, I'm intentionally using medium to high heat to let the moisture in the whites evaporate quickly. Once the 2 eggs are settled in the pan, turn the heat up to high to achieve crispy, golden whites. After just about a minute, you'll see the edges of the whites start to turn golden brown. For the seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, use a spoon to gently stir the sauce around the edge of the pan. Adding the seasonings and reducing the sauce right in the pan will help the sauce cling to the eggs and create a more harmonious flavor. Use a spoon to ladle the sauce over the top of the eggs so that the top cooks slightly and absorbs the flavor. If you prefer your eggs more well done, cover the pan. But if you want the yolks to be soft and runny, don't cover the pan. Once the sauce has thickened, your garlic mayonnaise sauce-topped fried eggs are ready. Now, prepare a serving of hot rice, gently lift the fried eggs onto the rice, and top with the hot rice. This is truly an addictive dish. The aroma of garlic and mayonnaise is simply irresistible. Wow! The smooth, tender egg with its golden, runny yolk, you absolutely have to try making this. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Apple pie. First, crack 2 eggs into a large bowl. Next, add 170 grams of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the bowl. Then use a whisk to mix everything thoroughly. Once the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is well combined, slowly pour 120 milliliters of milk into the bowl, stirring constantly to create a smooth, creamy mixture. Then add 75 milliliters of cooking oil to the bowl and stir well one more time. Now, place a sieve over the bowl. Sift 260 grams of all-purpose flour and 11 grams of baking powder through the sieve to ensure a smooth mixture. Then continue stirring everything together with a spoon. Set the flour mixture aside for now. First, I peel the apples carefully, removing all the skin until only the clean apple flesh remains. This helps the apples cook more smoothly later and gives the dish a softer texture. Next, I cut the apples in half and remove the cores, then chop them into small, even pieces. Cutting them into similar sizes helps them cook evenly and blend better with the rest of the ingredients. Apples are a highly nutritious fruit, rich in fiber, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants that help support overall health. They are known for promoting better digestion, supporting the immune system, and adding a naturally fresh and sweet flavor to recipes. Besides their health benefits, Apples also bring a soft, juicy texture that makes this dish even more delicious and enjoyable. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place all the diced apples into a large bowl. Grate the zest of 1 lemon into the same bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and mix well so the apples absorb the aroma. Now, pour this mixture into the bowl with the flour and mix everything together thoroughly. That completes the preparation. To bake the cake, prepare a baking pan. Grease the bottom and sides with a thick layer of butter to prevent sticking. Then, pour the batter into the pan and use a spoon to spread it evenly across the entire pan. Next, I place the pan in the air fryer and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. When the time is up, I take the cake out of the air fryer. The sweet aroma of apples fills the kitchen, and the cake has a light golden crust, a soft, fluffy texture, and looks absolutely delicious. And just like that, the apple cake is ready. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. So today, we've made 2 dishes together that are both simple and incredibly delicious. A soft, fluffy apple pie with a fragrant cinnamon aroma, and sunny-side-up eggs with a light, rich sauce, the perfect combination for a delicious home-cooked meal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple, healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.